How to set up Final Cut Pro so you don't have those annoying black sidebars on your amazing videos. When you're getting ready to shoot your video, just turn your iPhone so it's horizontal to what you're taking video of. To video, so horizontal, hit the record button, just take a horizontal video. Then hop over to your Final Cut Pro under File and go down to New and then select Project. Drop down to Video and select Custom. Then you will go to Resolution, leave it 1920 by 1080, leave everything else the same and just click OK. Drag your recently taken video down to your workspace, and there you go. Beautiful.